Thank you. We'll just start. So I'm very happy.
And we hope, now you...
The more, let's say, symbolic. Oh,
Welcome, Mr. Committee. Welcome in our office. It's a great pleasure to have you.
It is for me a great honor and a pleasure, Mr. Prime Minister.
Welcome in our office. My pleasure to have you here.
Mr. Matopoulos, the head of the press office. So Alexis was a candidate that he appeared publicly.
And that is also very helpful.
Yes.
Very good. So first of all,